Hi everyone, my name is Lydia and I am the training manager for Elemental Herbology. Today I want to share with you a really easy at-home facial routine because I think at this current time it's just really important to take some time out for yourself and just to help yourself relax with all the kind of stresses and anxiety going on right now. I'm going to keep it simple, and it's something that you can do on yourself at home whilst we're all practicing good social distancing. I mean, it's going to be something that hopefully you can continue to do afterwards. And I think what better way to just get yourself into a nice routine to go forward for the future. Now for me, a facial is not only just going to keep my skin healthy, but it's also going to help to keep my mind healthy because I can just zone out for 30 minutes and just not think about anything else. So I hope you enjoy. So step one, wash your hands, obviously, and I have used the lemongrass and nutmeg hand and body wash that we have just launched, and it's got a really zesty fragrance. The lemongrass is very uplifting and the nutmeg is very good for kind of relaxing and helping your muscles. So this is a great one for people who like to do their at-home workouts. Step one, I am going to cleanse my skin, and I've chosen Vital Cleanse for this because I just feel that my skin is needing a bit of a boost at the moment. It's looking a little bit dull, and this particular product contains honey and papaya. Now the honey is really good anti-inflammatory, and it's going to repair my skin, and the papaya is going to break down any dead skin cells, just making it a bit brighter and fresher. I'm going to take a couple of pumps into my hand, and I'm going to add some water. And I'm then just going to take that all over, really kind of working it in to any areas of concern. And then I'm going to take my flannel, some warm water, and rinse off. So next up, I'm going to do exfoliation, and I've chosen Facial Glow for this, and this exfoliator works on 2 levels. So you've got AHAs in here, but you also have a granular exfoliation from jojoba beads. Now I really like to feel those beads working on the skin, but also great to know that the AHAs in there are going to help to buff off any dead skin cells and brighten as well. So I'm going to apply it like a mask. I'm going to take the product and I'm just going to pat it onto my skin. And I'm then going to just leave that there for a couple of minutes to let the AHAs do their thing. And then I'm going to work in the jojoba bead. So I've left that for 2 minutes. And I'm now going to start massaging in those beads. I'm then just going to take my flannel and rinse off again. So next up, I'm going to apply a mask. And today I've chosen our Nutrition Infusion sheet masks for this because again, I'm looking for that brightening effect. Now I'm just going to open it up and take out the mask. And what you need to do here is just open up the mask, remove the paper backing, and then just apply to your face. And it is as quick and easy as that. So once I've applied this mask to my face, I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes. But initially, I'm actually going to use my rose quartz roller. And what this is going to do is just going to help to penetrate the product deeper into my skin. So I'm going to take it over the top of the sheet mask. And I'm going to roll outwards. And I'm just going to continue to do this for about 5 minutes. So my mask has been on for 20 minutes now, and I'm just going to remove. And the serum that's left on my skin, I'm going to actually massage that in. I'm just going to do some nice, really relaxing, deep circles around the eyes. And then some circling up the forehead. So this is not only going to penetrate the product in, but it's just going to help me relax at the same time. It's going to ease away any muscle tension. And just really help to kind of lift and firm my skin. Just going to take some pressures around the temple area. And I'm going to take a little bit of knuckling around my cheeks and my jaw, where you can find that there's a lot of tension there. And then some nice kind of drainage movements. Now that product is all in to my skin now. Okay, so my last few steps now, I'm going to actually apply my serum, some eye cream, moisturizer, and then finish with my lip balm. And the serum I've chosen to use is Cell Nourish, again for its brightening properties, and also it's a really good kind of multivitamin for the skin. So I'm going to take a couple of drops. And I'm just going to work that in. Next, I'm going to take my eye cream, and this is our eye elixir. Now, this is a triple action eye cream because it works on all three kind of main concerns with your eye area. So it's going to help with fine lines, it's going to help with dark circles, and it will also help with any puffiness around that area as well. So I'm going to take a little bit on my fingertips, and I'm just going to press it all around the orbital bone. And then also massage, circular motion. Last of all, I'm going to apply some moisturiser and then my lip balm. So I've chosen Perfect Balance moisturiser, and I'm going to use this product because I do have a bit of a combination skin type, and I feel that this gives me the hydration that I need in certain areas, but it's not too heavy for my kind of more oilier T-zone. So again, I'm going to take a couple of pumps of this and I'm just going to apply all over my face. In here you've got things like vitamin C that is going to help to brighten the skin. And you've also got antioxidants in here as well, what's going to protect your skin. Now the lip balm I'm applying is called Lip Nourish. It's going to help to protect and repair my lips, and I think it's a really important step not to be missed because your lips do need that nourishment as well. So that's it, my easy to follow at home facial with Elemental Herbology. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.